welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Shannon. If you're new here, don't forget to go down there and click subscribe. Also, no nails, ignore that. Today I'm back with another haul. Are you surprised? Because what else do I do, really? Yeah, if you didn't know, Molly MAE Apple of Ireland has just dropped her collection with Pretty Little Thing. So it dropped at 10 o'clock yesterday, which was Monday, and I was at work. So when it got to like 5 to 10, I had to quickly do a little run into the toilets. And just, Richard, if you're watching this, don't sack me. I picked up some bits from the collection. So that is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you guys what I got, talk about it, the quality, prices, try it on, try and haul as always. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And let's just get started into this massive bag. Okay, so I've got the receipt here. So it's got all the prices on for me. Okay, so first of all I'm going to go with a little outfit. This is an outfit that Molly MAE was wearing on the website, so I thought I'd literally just buy the whole outfit and try it on and see if I look good in it, because she looks good in it, but let's be real, that's just not going to happen. Why does it look like a pair of knickers? So the first thing we have is this basic little crop top. It is the white Slinky racerback crop top. I got this in a size 8. I'm not sure if this is actually Molly's collection or if this was just already on the website, but it was on the link to all of her other stuff, so I assumed it was from the collection. So it's just a plain white little crop top with the racerback like it says. But it's that slinky material, so it's like quite thick. Doesn't seem like it's going to be see-through. And yeah, I got that in a size 8, and this was £6.40, but that's with student discount, so I'm not going to try and do maths in my head. I feel like this will literally just go with anything. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with joggers, you know, anything. Plain white, thick material, so it's not going to be see-through. And yeah, that's the first piece of the outfit. So to go with that little top, I got these 3/4 length leggings. This is something I would never ever pick out, but Molly MAE look good in it, so I want to try it. I know I'm not going to look good in it, but I want to try it. So like 3/4 lengths, they go halfway down your shin. And yeah, they're really thick material. Like these are definitely not see-through. They're not like Primark leggings. Nothing cannot see through them at all. They're the slinky material as well, so they're the same material as the top. I've got these in a size 8. They're literally just plain black leggings, but they're so thick they actually feel like quite heavy with the material. Got them in a size 8, and these were £8 with the discount. To spice up that little outfit a little bit, that little plain outfit, I picked up, wow, this is very creased. So this is a blazer. Kind of hard to show, but it's a stone material. Actually, I'm not feeling this whatsoever. By the material, it just feels cheap. A bit disappointed by this one, but I'm going to try it on anyways. Stone super oversized women's blazer. Yeah, it's just this stone material. It's got shoulder pads in it each side. It's hard to show holding it. You'll see it when it's on. It's got a button at the front. I think it's double breasted when it's got this. I think that's what it's called. Got this in a 10. I wanted to get it in a 6 or an 8 because it already says it's oversized, but they didn't have it, so I had to get it in a 10. But from first like feeling it, it just feels like a bit thin and light, and it was £24 with the discount. Is it worth it? Okay, so next we have a stone cargo oversized popper front shirt dress, and I'm thinking, if this looks cute, I'm going to wear this out when I go out next Friday for my birthday. But these are the things that are literally just going to look better on. So I'm going to hold it the best that I can and try and explain it the best that I can, but it's going to be a struggle. So this is the stone shirt dress. Don't know how to explain it. It actually feels better quality than the blazer did, and this is meant to be a shirt. This is a lot thicker than the blazer. Yeah, it's just this stone shirt. It's got buttons on the ends of the sleeves, buttons literally all the way down the front, and they're silver. Then they've got pockets on the front each side, It seems quite short though, so if this is going to be a shirt dress on me, that is another question. But I got this in an 8 as well. This was £20. So if this looks cute, I'm going to stick a bat around the middle and wear it out for my birthday next week. Pray for me, that looks cute. Because I'm struggling to find an outfit for next week. I don't know what I want to wear, so I don't know what to look for, so I'm struggling. Help a girl out. Okay, so the next we have is pretty basic, and it's this leather skirt. It feels strange. But yeah, it's this black leather skirt. It's got a zip down the front. It's like a cargo style skirt, so it's got the pockets on the side and the white stitching, so it's like contrast. Apparently, I seen on Twitter the other day that a girl had ordered this before MAE dropped it, and it's literally the exact same skirt from Pretty Little Thing with the exact same name, but it's gone up £5 in price. Strange. I got this in a 10 because I struggle to get things over my legs, and I ordered a skirt off Depop a few weeks ago. I was going to wear it to Base Fest. Tried to get it over my legs and broke the zip. So, love that. Love that. I got this in a 10 just so that I don't break it. It's got the belt loops anyway, so if I wanted to put a belt around it, I can. And this was £12 with the student discount on top. And to go with this, I picked up 2 of the exact same jumper, but it was in 2 different colours, so I got both. So this is just a like creamy turtleneck jumper, and it says Pretty Little Thing across the front. It's quite a thick material and it's ribbed. Long sleeves, very long sleeves. Whose arms are that long? But yeah, the black one is literally the exact same. Black says Pretty Little Thing across the front. Really thick, really comfy, really warm. And it's September now, so the woolly jumpers are coming back out. Got both of these in a small, did I? No. For some reason I got that one in a medium and the black one in a small. But these will literally just go with anything, including that leather skirt. And these were $14.40 each with the discount. I know I'm gonna love these. Me and Turtlenecks, we just get on. We're on to the final outfit, and I saved the best till last. Watch me put it on and hate it. So we've got like a little cord going on. I'll show you the trousers first. Oh, they are long. They are cute. Wow. These are a pair of white straight leg jeans. I don't own a pair of straight leg jeans, I don't think. I own mom jeans, but they're not straight, they're like coming a little bit at the bottom still. Oh, throwing them. These are the jeans. Literally just plain white, and they've got, it's going to be hard to show, but again you'll see better when they're on. I have this here because I didn't actually explain. But basically, you know I talk about my chunky leg problem and not being able to get in things? Yeah. That was the case with these jeans. I could not get them up, and I was not risking breaking the zip. So there's no try and clip for that bit. I'm sorry, and I'm sad about it too. They've got splits in the knees and a little bit up the legs. They're literally just plain white. Pockets on the back, pockets on the front, and they've got rose gold details on them. Got these in a size 8, and they've got belt loops, but I feel like they'll be perfect. And they actually look long enough for my legs. So if you've got little legs, you have to roll these up a lot. And these were $22.40 for the jeans. Okay, well I've just realised it's not actually a cord. The denim's the exact same colour, but on these it's literally just plain white stitching and everything. And then this is the jacket. It's a little cropped denim jacket, but it's got brown stitching. I don't know why I thought these were a cord. You could wear this together. MAE had this on the website. She had this done up and the jeans on, and she looked 10 out of 10. I'm probably not going to look like that, but everyone loves a tryer. So this is the denim jacket. It's really, really cropped. I got this in a 10 because I hate the feeling of jackets when you can't move. Long sleeves that you can roll up. Brown stitching, gold buttons. The edge of it is like, hello. The edge of it is like all hem, like rough. What's this? But yeah, it's got pockets on the front, brown stitching. I feel like this is going to be one of them cute little jackets that you can wear with anything. I like how the sleeves are so long and baggy, and it's kind of like a drop shoulder because my shoulder's there. But the actual, am I explaining this right? No. $22.40 my camera's gonna die, so I'm quickly gonna end this now. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Sorry I had to end so quick. My camera's literally flashing red, so gotta go. Bye.